Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make yummy gravy. Start by gathering your key ingredients: pan drippings, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, and 2 cups of your favorite broth, like chicken or beef. Make sure your pan drippings are warm, as this helps prevent lumps. A good whisk is your best friend here, ensuring a silky smooth texture. This simple combination forms the delicious base for our easy, homemade gravy. Now, let's make our roux, the secret to a rich, thick gravy. Heat 2 tablespoons of your pan drippings in a saucepan over medium heat. Once warm, whisk in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, creating a smooth paste. Continue whisking for about 1 to 2 minutes, allowing the roux to cook and turn a beautiful golden brown. This step deepens the flavor significantly. With your roux ready, it's time to add the liquid. Slowly whisk in 2 cups of broth, adding about 1/2 cup at a time to prevent lumps. Keep whisking until fully incorporated. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, continuing to stir. Let it cook for 5 to 7 minutes, or until your gravy reaches your desired, luscious thickness. Patience here ensures a perfect consistency. Almost there. Now for the final, crucial step: seasoning. Taste your gravy and adjust with salt and freshly ground black pepper until it's just right. For an extra layer of flavor, consider adding a dash of fresh or dried herbs, like thyme or sage. Your yummy, homemade gravy is now ready to be served warm, elevating any meal with its rich, comforting taste.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.